Right here we have a Horizon BQ470 book binder. This machine is actually brand new, never installed, never used for production. Came to us in its original packaging, on its original skid. All accessories, tools, manuals, everything's included. What happened was someone bought this machine. It suffered some minor damage in the freight shipping, and they wrote it off for insurance. We got it, put about 10 man hours into it, straightened everything back out. What had happened is on this end of the machine, there's no rigid frame on there, so everything on this end got a little bent out of whack, and it caused it to bind up while it's operating. We got everything running smooth. I'll come over here, start on this end, show you some features. It does have the collection bag. It's got a built-in blower for when you mill your paper. It doesn't get all over your shop. Nice, easy to change bags. Right here on top of the stacker, this is your automatic thickness gauge. You can drop your book right in there. It'll measure and put the number right in the computer for you. Here you have your high capacity stacker here. The books will come up the belt, fall down here, and it lowers as it goes. You have your touchscreen operation panel. Very easy to use. A lot of pictures, go through everything, all your features, all your setup parameters. And then move on down this way. We have our, here's your mill. Your milling knife is under there. Here's your cover gluer. This is every 470 has EVA for the cover glue, and then this model has PUR glue for the actual book itself. So it comes with the PUR tank, no external pot. While we can get one for you, we have a couple options, used, new, stuff like that. But as it sits right now, we have EVA for the cover and PUR for the spine. Come down to the end with more. We've got the cover feeder here. This has automatic setup. Once you put in your cover stock, it'll automatically adjust the side gauge, and you have a couple adjustments for air and double sheet. And along the back, we do have the smoke extractor. You can we just have it blowing in the shop, but you can pipe that out through a vent. And of course, the transformer. This does run on 200 volts, 3-phase. So we have to buck our 240 down to 200, but that takes care of it. So we're going to show you a run here. We go into the setup screen. I'm going to show you this thickness gauge here. I'm just going to drop my book block in here, measures it, and you can see we have 370 thousandths of an inch. Press OK. Now the machine's going to set up. So what it's doing is setting your right spine thicknesses, glue thicknesses, your clamps. It's got creasing on the cover feeder, so it's going to automatically set your creases for your cover. It takes a couple minutes to home everything in before you can run. And initially, when you start this up, it takes about an hour to get up to temperature. Horizon does offer a timer you can install and have it boot up in the morning already, so you're ready to go when you get in for first shift. All right, it's all homed in. I'm going to turn it on. It gets the blower going for the mill removal and gets the rollers for the glue moving. You can see down in there. This is the original plastic on the glass. No damage or anything like that. We just didn't want to take it off, get it scratched up. Drop your book in, jog it. And you can run it on a timed mode, so you can set a certain amount of time, and it'll just continue on running itself. Right now, we just have it in the manual mode. You press the buttons every time. All right, now we've got the books all the way around. We're going to start coming out the stacker. finish up the last process and drop all the books. There you go. We have our final product here. See, everything's nice and even. Everything held well. You can see the crease from the side clamp. Everything's nice and even and square. Ready to go off to your 3-knife trimmer. And it is the PUR glue, so it does lay flatter than an EVA book would. So for the time we've had this machine, we've done a lot of tests with it. We have come across no errors. We can go in the screen and show you it's not come up with any error reports whatsoever. It's run perfectly smooth for us.